Good morning students. Welcome to online classes from RBL Public School, Standard 7th, English Reader. Today we are going to read lesson first, The Three Apples. So let's read. Once upon a time there was an orchard full of fruit trees. An apple tree stood in the orchard with other trees, and throughout the summer it stretched out its branches wide to catch the raindrops and the sunshine to make its apple grow round and ripe. Now it was fall season, and on the old apple tree were three huge apples, as yellow as gold and as larger than any other apple in the whole orchard. The apple tree stretched and reached as far as it could, until one fine day the branch on which the three gold apples grew hung over the orchard wall. The three great apples waited for someone to pick them, and as the wind blew through the leaves of the apple tree, it appeared to sing. The tree has apples three. Anyone who uses one well shall a treasure say. Then one bright sunny morning along came a naughty little boy called Henry. While passing by the orchard wall, he looked longingly at the three gold apples. He wished to have one of them. At very moment the wind sang its melodious song again as the leaves rustled in the breeze. The apple said, and one of the fat golden apple fell at Henry's feet. Henry jumped with joy. He pounded out on it and rubbed his hand on its surface, loving the smooth feel. How sweet it smelled, and how delicious and juicy it must be. Henry could think of nothing but eat it. He had not eaten his breakfast and felt a little hungry. He tossed it up in the air like a ball. Then he promptly put it into his mouth and took a great bite of. So in short, in this lesson, the three apples. एक टाइम में क्या होता है, एक ऑर्चर्ड होता है फुल ऑफ ट्रीज, उसमें एक एप्पल ट्री भी होता है. तो इसमें क्या होता है, हमेशा अच्छे अच्छे फल आते हैं एप्पल के. तो जब फॉल सीजन आ जाता है तो उसके बाद क्या होता है, उसमें थ्री एप्पल्स होते हैं जो एज गोल्ड एज लार्जर देन एन एप्पल, काफ़ी बड़े होते हैं और बिल्कुल गोल्ड होते हैं, सुनहरे जैसे कि गोल्ड होता है. तो वो किसी का वेट कर रहे होते हैं कि कोई आए और उनको ले जाए. सो एक दिन क्या होता है कि एक हेनरी नाम का लड़का आता है और वो विश करता है कि मुझे ये एप्पल मिल जाए, और अचानक तेज़ी से हवा चलती है और एप्पल उसके पैरों पे आके गिर जाता है. फिर क्या होता है, हेनरी जो होता है वो बहुत ही भूखा होता है, उसने अपना ब्रेकफास्ट नहीं किया होता है, तो वो एप्पल को उठाता है और खा लेता है. It. Then another bite and another. Soon there was nothing left of the apple but the core, which Henry threw away. He licked his lips and went on his way. But the wind in the apple tree sang sorrowfully after him. The tree now has apples too, but it is no longer a treasure for you. क्या होता है, वो उठा के सीधा खा लेता है और उसके बाद उसमें कुछ भी नहीं बचता है, और जो उसका थोड़ा सा टुकड़ा बचता है वो उसे फेंक देता है और चला जाता है.